Nan, babo ako balen. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, another great discovery dito po sa Angeles City, and this is called BangSilog. Ayan guys, if you're looking for all bangus menu, like for example, shanghai, embotido, relleno, ano pa?
Siyempre, yung mga favorite natin na belly and yung daing, available dito.
Grabe guys, they have a wide array of menu. If you're looking for those kind of dishes, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Yun nga guys, nandito tayo sa BangSilog, which is located dito po sa 1st Street, Balibago, Angeles City.
So yung pinaka-landmark naman dito is yung tapat lang siya ng main gate terminal.
Yes, exactly.
As low as 59 pesos, makakabili na kayo ng silog.
So pagpunta natin dito, so may nakita pa tayong mga nag-dine in, at the same time meron din mga take out. So I think those are busy people din na pag-uwi nila, gusto kumakain na lang. Or yung mga iba naman, gusto nilang dalhin sa trabaho as their baon. Aside from the meals that are available to eat, ready to eat, meron din sila mga ready to cook which are frozen. As is guys, so kung ano yung mga nakita ninyong mga favorite ninyong mga bangus meals dito, available sila na ready to cook. Alright, so yun nga Mark, finally titikman na natin yung kanilang mga silog meals.
Yes.
So sa akin siguro umpisan ko dito sa kanilang mga shanghai. So ayan guys, I think this is one of their best seller.
Yes,
ayan.
And one of their best seller din, syempre yung mga favorite ng lahat, yung kanilang bangus belly.
Bangus belly,
yes. So check this out. So mostly naman ito sa bangus, ito yung pinaka malasa, and yung pinaka favorite ng lahat.
Exactly. So, ako naman titikman ko next is yung kanilang siomai, which is again very popular street food, ang siomai.
Ako naman yung kanilang bangus longganisa. Yan yung sasaw natin sa suka.
Siyempre. Titikman guys is yung kanilang patty. Ayan, so I'm always amazed, no? Kasi all the while na habang kumakain tayo dito, puro fish yung mga kinakain
actually,
natin.
kung gusto yung mga healthy type na parang all fish tayo, so dito is everything bangus and everything is bunuan.
Everything is also boneless.
Yes.
Ayan. So next one titikman is yung kanilang mga patty. There you go.
Ako naman yung kanilang relleno. Ayan, no?
Guys, this one is their tinapa version. Ayan, so kung may daing, meron din silang mga tinapa, of course. Popular yan sa mga bangus.
Yes, so counterpart naman ng kanilang nuggets is yung kanilang mga croquettes. So, in additional lang siya ng breadings and potatoes.
Para sa akin, Mark, sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito sa kanilang embotido.
Yes.
Napaka-Pinoy Pinoy style na embotido niya. A little bit sweet, tapos merong parang fragrance ng mga iba-iba pang ingredients nito.
Ako naman nag-enjoy ako doon sa kanilang rellenong bangus. So, which is this one. So, BangSilog is open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. So, again, very accessible. If you guys wanna check this out, if you wanna, try yung mga natikman natin dito, make sure to check out BangSilog. So, there you have it. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out BangSilog. Until our next discovery,
Peace out.
bye guys.